Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. This is BetterTrades coach Robert Roy, and this is our weekly update. This is being brought to you by RobertRoyTrader.com. Let's go ahead and jump right into our disclaimer. Basically, it says, I am not an advisor. I cannot legally tell you to buy or sell a stock. It is against the law. The SEC, which is the Securities and Exchange Commission, requires you to be licensed in order to do so. I am not, and I do not want to be. So, if you find a candidate, an indicator, a trade setup, something, anything that you like here today, my suggestion is you paper trade it first before ever putting 1 penny of real money into the trade setup or indicator, and then and only then would you do so if it fits your own personal risk profile and risk tolerance. Now keep something in mind. Because I am not an advisor, that means I am not under trading restrictions. That means that I may choose to enter or exit a trade at any given time without prior notice. All right, so guys, what do we want to do here? First thing is I want to look at the S&P 500. All right, so let's go look at a little bit of a bigger picture on the S&P. We had that nice push up on the fibs. We've toddled back and forth, and today, Friday, the 20th, we push up and hit a new all-time high, closing high, and where do we close? Right at the Fibit. Why? Because I drew the line there. Why else would it have closed there? Come on, guys, guess why? It hit right on that line, and that line is a key area. It's a key resistance point. It's gonna slow down there. It just does what it does, right? So guys, right now we're in a bullish bias on the S&P. Look for the pullback to the 2000 and 2100. It's at 2100 level, which would be a very strong thing if we get the pullback. Then the bounce and the continuation. We really haven't had a pullback. We made this move up from about 2045 all the way up to 2110. I'd like to see some reversal back, and we got the tag of the 8 period today, which was fantastic. All right, so there's the S&P. Let's go look at the VIX. Fear. Whoo, baby, fear is down. Fear is down. We're back at a level we have not seen in a while, 1430. It has been since December since we've been at that 1430 level. And we closed, oh yeah, right at it. Right at that key level that we've had in there for a while. All right, let's go look at one of the stocks from the Market Insights is Google. And I want to go ahead and highlight a trade that we did for you, showing you what we did. And that yellow bar is the day we took the entry. We had an entry signal on Google that day that said to take a bullish trade, and we took it when Google hit 531. So I'm going to draw an arrow right to that day. Not necessarily the price that day, and we bought it when the stock hit 531. Right? We exited some of the same position, not all of it. We exited out of 4 of our contracts same day as we got up near our first resistance level of that 536 area. We actually got in when the stock was at 531, got out when the stock was at 535. So there's a $4 move on 4 contracts. Then we went ahead and the stock kind of vacillated around. We're looking for our next level, our next target, and we got that next target right up in here. Now I'm going to give us a really big zoom at this point, right? So we got in on this day right as the stock opened, basically, a few pennies above open. We got out just shy of this resistance level, and then on this date, actually, we got out, we were at 546 and a half, so about $1 below 545 and a half is where we got out of this position. So in this trade, at this point, we had gotten in 10 contracts. We got out of 4, we got out of 3, and then we were stopped out of the balance of our trade when the stock came back down to $544. And that was actually on the 17th, right here on this day. Come on. There we go. On this day, we were stopped out when the stock hit 544. Now we're in 531. So that 544 is not really a big deal. We still made money on the trade. Actually, we were up $9,850 in our paper trade. All right, so guys, there was one trade we highlighted. I've got a couple of them right now going on, folks, particularly there. We're going to talk about it tonight in the Market Insights. But we are knocking the socks off on our Netflix trade right now, guys. We are absolutely killing it. So you'll catch up more about that tonight on the Market Insights. If you don't know what Market Insights is, go ahead and check out my website, folks. Take a look, see what you can see. Go read some more about it, and you have a great day, and I'll see you all at the next update. Take care now, folks. Bye.